No one will horse me a gaming keyboard by Nassim Up coming up next.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizards channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow his Telegram.
So guys, in the box you will receive and then Watson man you just tells on the different on the different usual keyboard stuff, like how to sync the nice is F1 to F8 to sync the nice. So you get that in the box, and then Watson man you, and you also get this. Now this is a base. So what you do, just below the keyboard, there's a magnetic thing. All you do is just stick it on. It's magnetic. So I'm gonna take it off for now. So now is the base. And here's the keyboard itself, guys. So I just want to say thanks to Warhorse and the Seaman community for sending this out to me. And obviously it has speed like most keyboards too. So it's just non-kid on the speed. You go your usual A, B, C, and the curve button is really good. So I just press random button. So if you don't want a mechanical keyboard, this is a good choice, you guys. So let me show you the lights things. Can I show you? Hold down the FN button, and then right now I'm on F1, so I'm gonna press F2, and it does like a different animation. FN3, just bathing in a corner, and then bathing out another corner with this vinegar. FN4, just standard bathing out. FN5, just your normal corner. FN6, FN7, and that's the FN8. I personally know that FN1 the best, so I'm obviously gonna send it back to FN1. So that's this little on the volume. So if I swipe up, it turns up the volume on my computer, my PC. So yeah, this was sent out to me by Warhorse Reviews and the same community. I just want to say thanks to them. Really awesome keyboard to use. So the typing's really good, and yeah, Warhorse did say he will send me some stuff on this live scene, and this is just one of them guys. Reviews coming soon. I bet there's all sorts coming soon on the same and with the YouTube channel. I bet there'll be unboxes coming in. So this came yesterday. More stuff may come today, but the day Warhorse is expecting me to receive some packages is tomorrow, which is Thursday. So I just want to say thank you to Warhorse and the Seaman community. I'm really impressed with this keyboard on this day. So I just want to say thanks. So it's a gaming keyboard, like all the buttons are responsive as usual. So there's an on-off button. You press it, it turns off. You press it again, turns on. And that's quite useful actually. If you're not using this, I will personally advise you to turn it off and turn it back on when you're using it. So I just want to say thanks to Warhorse and the Seaman community. Really does appreciate to me. So more of these reviews coming your way soon, I'm sure. I hope you enjoyed this first review. If you have, don't forget to underneath the video.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizards channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow his Telegram.
Okay guys, until next time. Bye bye. Again, thanks to Warhorse and the Seaman community. Thanks, man. Really does appreciate it. So, that being said, bye.